Good day there, traders. How you doing today? Hopefully good. So, this is the open, the big, big kahuna bar, big boner candle right here. And was there divergence? Oh yeah, of course. There's always divergence before the open. No, not always. But a lot, many times. More often than not. Okay, so something like that, low and lower low. We're on the 5-minute. Where would have you got in? I don't know. You would have jumped in when it was flying up. And then we had this square little box topping action up here. And then they trashed it. Yeah, then they trashed it. They get you to buy, and then they fuck you on the way down. That's what they do every day. It's a very dirty game, trading. And that's why probably 99 excuse me. Oh, anyway. There is no trade up here to sell it. Not that I can see. The indicator followed the price. So the only trade was somewhere in here. And take it up. All right, let's move on to the... Oh, no, there was no trade here either. S&P 500, 5-minute. Same thing up here, see? Well, we had the same trade right here before the open. You can see it. I just showed you on the other chart. Look at it crashing down now. After they get everybody long, then they crash it down. And the stops were in here. Everybody that was buying in here, all the orders were right here. And they made the price race to get them. Right in here. Yeah, I don't believe it was volume that made it go there. I believe it was somebody with a touch of a button or their mouse making the price race down to get those orders. Because that's what they want to do. Let's see on the 1-minute. Is there any trades? Back on the NASDAQ. Okay, so here's the open. Yeah, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4x top right here. And down it went. So there was a trade here, but the whole trick was waiting for price to clear through this stuff right here, this support that they finally broke through. So if you sold it here, it was a clear indication to hold on. And down it went like 90 points. Then there was a low and a lower low divergence to buy, but I wouldn't buy it because they smacked it down so hard so fast. And then we have a high retracement, higher high. There was divergence there also. If you only wanted to trade with the trend of this, okay, this major takeover here from the buy side, then you'd only want to sell, right? And there's your sell right in here. And it's so far gone down 61 points. Okay, that's the 1-minute on the NASDAQ. It went back there again. Okay, in the Dow, oh God, look at the Dow. Crazy. I don't see any divergence in here. And even if there is, I don't even want to mark it on the chart because it's just horrible mess. But there is one trade right here. Hidden divergence. That was beauty. See? Lines up. Lines up. See how that lines up so mysteriously? Yeah. You would have sold it right here. What a crappy week for trading. I guess the elites they need more money, so they're making a shit ass mud puddle out of the markets this week. That's what they're doing. So they can screw people more to get the money that they need to fight. Okay, there's 49 pips to the downside. Stop was 44. So you got your 1-to-1 on that on the Dow. Let's look at the pound now. What did it do? Oh, look at the pound. Look at this candle. How many pips did it go down? 26 pips. In 3 minutes, it went down 45 pips. And then right back up again. And then down again. Oh, yeah. See? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, beautiful pile of fucking shit. Look at this shit. And there's no divergence in here. I don't see any. Fuck. Euro, same shit. Boy, did they ever fuck with people today. Oh my God. There is a trade here, right here. If you're willing to trade off the 8:30 news, this was the baton, right? Here's the baton. Long wicks on each side of it. That's the news. That's the news, man. That's the news that did that. It would have sold somewhere like right at the pivot after it broke through this shit right here of a sidewinder. Okay. You don't know how many people they suckered in here. When the price was down here, people are selling. And then they put their stops up here, and then they came back up, and then they got their orders. And then people were buying up here, and they took it down, and they got their stops down here. That's what they just keep doing in this shithole. Well, they're making money because they know where the price is going to go. That's how crooked I believe these markets are, ladies and gentlemen. Whether you want to agree with me or disagree, it's okay. Everybody has their opinion, right? Right. Here's a double top. And like that, see? Now, where would you get in on this one? Maybe right here? See if you got in right there. Your stop would have been 14 point pips. And it went down 16. So you would have got your 1-to-1 if you would have got in right there. La-dee-da. Oh, what a mess today. What a freaking mess. Pound yen. Yeah, look at that candle there. How big's that one? Oh, only 30 pips. Do we have divergence up here? High and higher high? No, because this mountain's taller than this one. There's no divergence here to sell it all the way down. I see the one trade. It's right here. I'll just put it there. See right there, around there. See right there. It was divergent. You would have got short. Right on the opening of here. And it went down 34 points, and your stop was 17. So I guess you got your 2-to-1 on that one. Euro yen. Let's take a look at the euro yen. Sure, it's not much better. There is a trade. Let me show you. Hard to see. Hidden divergence. See, lines up. See here, let me stretch this out. See the little blue doodah right there? Okay. That's where this is being drawn to. Right there like that. Let's see. See? That lines up, see? And that lines up, see? Isn't it amazing though how it picks, it draws these little doodahs or whatever, and it picks it to the very bottom. See, look at this one right here. Oh, we're off by one on that one. or by one anyway. It nails it. Like, there's the low. There's the low, you know? Because I guess it draws it on the close, so. But here too, see up here? Here's the fucking high, and it made the little dot. Exactly where that high is. That's another thing I've noticed about this indicator. Anyway. Would have got you short right there. Stop would be 10 pips, and it went down 45 pips. Ladies and gents. Okay, let's take a look at gold. Oh. Isn't that an ugly sight for sore eyes? Ugly, fugly. That's fucking fugly. Holy fuck. See, right here, see? There's the high one. There's the high one. There's the higher one. See, right there. Boom. Picks it. Picks it, man. See that? See, right there, it picks it. This one, I don't have it on the right one. It needs to be on this one. That's just a tad higher, see? Right there. Look, see? To the top, to that one. To that one. See how that lines up? See how it nails it right from that high of the first high, then the retracement, then the higher high. Yeah, nails it to it. So you would have sold it right here, and it went down 27 pips. 29 stop. Almost would have got your 1-to-1 target. You would have sold right on the opening of this candle. Then you could say there's a double bottom here, and like this, but yeah, it's drawing it very intricately. Let's put it in. Let's put it in for fun. One more for the kipper. Hey, one more for the kipper. Fucking A. Something like that. Yeah. Looks divergent to me. Oh, these sheep shit. And then now oil. Let's look at oil now. Look at this. They fucking sold it off huge, and then they take it back up. But I guess the news that happened at 10:30. Where's 10:30? Ah, it's right here. The news must have been bullish, huh? If it's the news that made this move, or was it the evil money buying oil back up? The elites. I don't know. Who knows? They love to print money and do whatever they want with it. Further devaluing our money. And at the same time, inflating the fuck out of us. Gotta hate it. Gotta hate it. Anyway, didn't mean to sound so negative here today. It's just not good. So on the 15-minute, I just want to show you this one trade. High and higher high. And down like that. And you would have entered right here, and it went down 180 or 190 points, ticks, whatever you want to call it. And you would have got in right there. Look at that, eh? All the way down, not one higher closing candle. But over here there was trades. Let me show you. Got to show you a couple of them before I end the show, right? So would have bought it right there. Lower close, buy it, up it goes, 70 points. Lower close right here. Zero drawdown, buy it. Up it goes, 43 points. And one more for the Kipper. Got to get the last one for the Kipper. Right there. Lower close, buy it, up it goes, 50 points. To the top. There she be. And then they buy it back up again. The motherfuckers. Where are they taking it now? Don't know. Could take it to new highs today, which is kind of likely. This is just a big sucker sell-off to get everybody selling. That's what it is. That's what it is, ladies and gents. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the show today. It wasn't a very good day to trade on most things that I can see. It was like, wow. It was beyond chopping. It was just like, we're gonna go. We're coming to get you, boy. We're coming to get your orders. Yeah. If it runs on orders, you know, people think it's run on volume. Some people think it's run on an algorithm. I think it's run. If it's run on an algorithm, yeah, that's fine. But there's no way an algorithm can make all these different chart patterns each day. There's just no way. There's someone that's just controlling it, in my opinion, and make it go where they want it to go. And that's it. I don't believe it's us. That's all. That's it. That's all. Anyway, I just want to say that this is not financial advice. It's just for educational purposes only. I want to thank you for coming out and watching today and listening. And I hope you have a great afternoon. And please subscribe if you haven't done so yet. All right. Good luck. Good trading.